if it weren't for Kosair Charities.
The Home of the Innocents would not be able to provide 24-hour nursing care for many of our medically fragile children.
If it weren't for Kosair Charities, I may not be walking today.
If it weren't for Kosair Charities, Fraser Rehab would not have the state-of-the-art facility to help kids like Chase lead more normal lives.
If it weren't for...
If it weren't for...
If it weren't for...
If it weren't for Kosair Charities. Hundreds of thousands of children have been touched by Kosair Charities. In fact, Kosair Charities benefits more children than any other children's charity in the state. Since the mid-1980s, Kosair Charities has provided $232 million to nearly 100 pediatric charities, allowing those nonprofits to directly serve children in Kentucky.
Shriners Hospitals for Children, providing world-class care at 22 hospitals throughout North America at no charge.
University of Louisville Medical Research.
Spalding University.
CP Kids Center.
Spina Bifida Association of Kentucky.
Brooklawn Youth Services.
Gilda's House.
Fraser Rehabilitation Institute.
Visually Impaired Preschool Services.
And many more important organizations that provide vital care to the families of our community. Kosair Charities also continues to be the largest private benefactor to Kosair Children's Hospital in downtown Louisville, with our renewed commitment of $130 million for a total of over $200 million provided to the hospital by Kosair Charities. And Kosair Charities assists families in financial crisis due to medical emergencies who find themselves with no place to turn.
Our son Cole was born with a hole in his heart and other major health problems.
Our world was turned upside down. Kosair Charities helped make sure Cole got the vital care he needed, guided us through the medical maze, and helped us with the mounting medical bills.
We don't know where we would be without the Shriners and Kosair Charities. Yay! Go! You can get more information about Cole and other local families by visiting Kosair Charities at kosair.org.
Hello, my name is Taness. I am 8 years old.
Taness was born with a rare bone disorder. Since birth, she has required several surgeries and ongoing therapy and special equipment to help her lead a more normal life. Kosair Charities is proud to have helped Taness be what she is today, a happy, healthy child.
Thanks, Kosair Charities.
Learn more about Taness and other Kosair kids at kosair.org. Generations of kids and families have been touched by Kosair Charities. For some kids, their entire lives have been shaped by the Kosair experience.
Hello, I'm Dr. James Hurt. Kosair Charities saved my life. I was diagnosed with a bone infection at age 11 by my doctor in Hazard, Kentucky. Kosair became a life-saving, loving home to me and thousands of other Kosair kids. My experience inspired me to become an orthopedic surgeon, and I practiced medicine at Kosair Crippled Children's Hospital for many years. I'm probably one of the oldest Kosair kids around.
Many people fondly remember the former Kosair Crippled Children's Hospital, now serving as campus of Kosair Charities and other agencies serving the needs of children. Recently, 2 distinguished Louisvillians visited our facility and met one of our special Kosair kids.
People probably don't expect the two of us to agree on many things.
When it comes to helping kids, both of us agree that if it were not for Kosair Charities, many of these children would fall through the cracks in the healthcare system.
Since 1923, Kosair Charities has been providing the children of Kentuckiana the finest pediatric care in the region.
Please help Kosair Charities continue their commitment to help Kentuckiana's seriously ill children.
Kosair Charities, protecting our most precious gift of all.
As Kosair Charities moves into the future, we need the continued support of our partners like you to ensure that no child is left behind. Kosair Charities, changing the lives of kids forever.
If it weren't for...
If it weren't for...
If it were for...
If it weren't for Kosair Charities.
Yeah. Weren.